Hello, viewers. This is hello, viewers. This is Henry Ube TV. At the moment, I'm in UKWUANI with one of my elder, Okwa. Nnam Okwa. As you know, my purpose of being in UKWUANI is to find out the fact about our origin.
Originator.
Okay, Maro. Because when I ajuju nkajwe ni ife kene arani we say nwa muta nseme okun e gbata meno photo ndo kwani anyi menu na argue. So usweni bible say onicho kwani ya bo nwa ibo onichi say chinebi bia ife shin na aju kene we say o photo na adose okwani kwamere na nwe we shin bia o photo ne se bini okwani shin bia o photo na adase dose okwani shin igbo bia so benu bio bendu ba hosa because ije ne teseye onwe ma asusu kwani na ebini
Kana Igbo kan yele. No Igbo we joko. Because Igbo. Anchuku. Gosi ne say sancha bofu.
Okay.
Ya ka yele no shile be no log be je tagbo no.
Okay. So nso ni be say onicho kwani shi ne be bia.
Anchuku because it's
Onichuku nu ya bo onichuku ko bo onicha Igbo Anambra.
Anambra. Onichuku bo onicha se.
Okay.
I don't see no on she's the able listening data.
Okay. So Goshen say onichukwani shi no onichi Igbo Anambra bia.
Anambra.
Okay.
Because that's no onicha. It's onicha.
Okay, Goshen is also ugbe ndena anazane beni. That's neighbor. Because only the men when had dead rock or kickbe. You know, say kwani. She now when we question it, so end up now. Only for Igbo kwani migration. So yabo if any we said it okay. You know, so ya kunkuni say anytime mbiane onichokwani senka jundi keyen kunweri gosase ishegware yeah viewers, as you can see I've finished my mission here, and from the confirmation from my elders here, they made me to understand that Onichokwani migrated from Onitsha, that is from Anambra.
Yes.
So thank you very much. Thank you for all your wonderful supports, your likes and loves. May God bless you. Amen.